Are we live? I guess. I guess we're live. Hello and namaste, viewers everywhere. On behalf of React Native Bangalore and Geeky Ants, I would like to welcome you to the very first edition of React Native Remote Meetup. My name is Digvijay Vanchu, and I will be your host for this event. First off, in these challenging times, I hope that all of you are keeping safe and well, because that is the most important thing to do right now. Do remember to follow and practice all routines that will keep you safe and healthy. That being said, it will not stop us from talking about React Native and the things that we love about it, and to share the experiences of our speakers and ours with the world. I can assure you we have an amazing lineup for you today, and I'm sure that you will not leave this event without learning anything new. Before we kick off this event, I would like to introduce Sanket Sahu. He is a software engineer, CEO, and co-founder of Geeky Ants. And he will tell you a little bit more about what we are doing here and what you all can expect out of this event.
Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
Sanket. Welcome. Before we begin, I would like to tell you a little bit about Sanket. So he is the CEO and co-founder of Geeky Ants and a software engineer by profession, but at heart, he's a designer. He is the brains behind BuilderX, which is a design tool that codes in React Native for you. And he is also the co-creator of Native Base, which is one of the biggest UI libraries for React Native. Sanket, welcome.
Thank you so much, Digvijay. I'm very excited, and I
Um,
think you took all my lines, so I think that's it from my side. Anyway, really excited for this one.
Perfect.
Yeah, so we are doing React Native Bangalore meetup for the first time remotely. So it's no more React Native Bangalore. It's like React Native remote meetup, or maybe I don't know what that term is. Should it be meetup? Are we meeting in person, or is it like a webinar or a conference? I don't know. It's a mix of all
Well,
those things.
I think it's safe to say that we are React Native worldwide now, because we are catering to everybody in the world at the moment.
Yeah. So things have
That being said, Sanket,
yeah.
I'm
Go ahead.
I'm going to let you continue with the keynote, and I
Sure.
will take leave and see you
All
again
right.
soon.
Thank you so much, Digvijay. Thank you so much. All right. So good to be here and finally meeting you all virtually. I see that we have a lot of viewers right now. So hello to everyone. And yeah, I'm very excited for React Native remote meetup. Things have changed, and we have changed how we conduct meetups too. I think Digvijay has already introduced me. I'm Sanket, CEO and founder at Geeky Ants. And yeah, going forward, let me tell you a little bit about Geeky Ants. So we are a product studio. We love the dev community of React Native, Flutter, and also Svelte these days. And yeah, some of the projects include Native Base. Native Base is an open source UI library for React Native. And yeah, we have also worked on a design tool called BuilderX. BuilderX is a design tool which actually codes React and React Native for you. I spoke about it this year at React Europe, how we built it from ground up and what the architecture looks like. So if you're looking for something like performance and something like non-standard or a different type of React app, so I would suggest you to check it out. And then we have Native Base. Native Base is a UI component library for React Native. We have reached about 14,000 stars on GitHub, and we keep doing things like this. So all good there. We also have a little bit of Dev Studio on one side. We call it Product Studio, and we have built products for our clients in different domains, which includes social, e-commerce, gaming, fintech, and all those. Coming to React Native Bangalore, we had the first meetup almost 4 years ago. I think the first one was in September 2016 here in Bangalore. And we have come a long way. This is the 15th edition of React Native Bangalore. And we are almost reaching 5,000 people. So React Native Bangalore is the world's biggest React Native meetup group. And it also stands somewhere at, I think, 10 in the entire React meetup groups. The number one is a very good friend of mine, React.js Bangalore, led by Kiran, and we keep like collaborating. So that is really interesting. And yeah, since we are remote, we have tried not to compromise on any aspect. We have tried to set it up just like usual meetups and conferences with a touch of like everything. We've tried to keep the professionalism and the quality really high. You can see the backdrop, like that's not my house. I've got a green screen and changed everything in the background, right? So yeah, but I miss meeting everyone in person. This is, I hope we solve this and get to meet in person as soon as possible, at a bigger scale maybe. And yeah, it's a different experience, right? Speaking to monitor and thinking like, okay, a lot of people are listening to me. So I just hope that it gets better very soon, right? And remote means it's easier to get people speaking from around the world, from everywhere. So we were local and now it's a global meetup group. Like we have Alexander from UK and Toby from Nigeria. Very excited for this. And yeah, and that also brings me to talk about diversity and inclusion. Like React Native Bangalore has seen great speakers from different parts of the country here in India, with different culture and everything. And now it's time to take that global with people from different ethnicity, and that's why we are in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement, and we have the hashtag. So if you want to tweet about React Native Bangalore, go ahead and use hashtag React Native, hashtag RNBLR, and also hashtag Black Lives Matter. And yeah, I hope everyone is staying safe, and all the best for all the speakers. Thank you so much for coming and signing up for this. I just hope everything goes well. Yeah, that's all from my side, Digvijay.
Thank you very much, Sanket. Those were some really encouraging words. And yes, like he said, we are like all lives matter, Black Lives Matter too, and we are in full support of that movement.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for the information, Sanket. I think it's time we kick off this show.
Yeah.